Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
This updated lava cast machine guide begins with safety and materials you must gather. Use 14-gauge steel, a 6-inch diameter crucible, and 1,200 degrees C refractory lining. Always wear a respirator, heat-resistant gloves, and a full face shield when pouring molten metals. Work outside or in a ventilated area with a Class D fire extinguisher rated for metal fires nearby. Keep a distance of 3 meters for bystanders, and have a steel bucket of sand ready for emergency smothering. Start by welding an 18 by 18-inch box frame from 14-gauge steel for the furnace body. Line the interior with 1-inch fire brick and a 1,200 degrees C refractory cast to seal gaps. Fit a stainless steel crucible held on a 20 mm support ring to center the melt. Install a regulated propane burner and a 24V blower to supply adjustable air for temperature control. Mount a thermocouple to monitor heat and a removable lid for safe access. Preheat the furnace for 30 minutes before adding alloy to avoid thermal shock and reduce splatter. Charge the crucible with scrap metal and monitor temperature with the thermocouple until you reach the target melt. Use a long-handled ladle and pour at a stable 45-degree pour angle into preheated molds. Allow parts to cool in air or controlled quench per alloy guidance, then clean the crucible after full cooling. Replace refractory if cracks exceed 3 mm to maintain safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.